Hey everyone, my name is Robert Langley, and together with my wife Heidi, we're cruise planners, travel advisors. You can find our website at langleyworldtravelers.com or check the description for our link tree, which is an easy way to access our contact details, our quarterly contest, and weekly travel deals. Heidi and I design custom, stress free luxury vacations for busy professionals who value exclusive experiences and white glove service without ever having to lift a finger. Unless it is for sipping tea, lounging at a cafe before appeasing your wanderlust. Today, we're diving into the top 5 travel apps for families in 2025. Whether you're flying across the world, road tripping across the US, or heading to Disney for the week, these apps will help keep your trip organized, affordable, and fun. Stick around until the end because I've got a bonus app that Disney loving families won't want to miss. First up is an app that is a similar concept to our own CP mobile app. I'll save an overview on that for a different video, which you receive for free as part of working with us to plan your travel. Number one is TripIt or TripIt Pro, which is $49 a year. And let me tell you, it's like having your own digital travel assistant. Here's why families love it. It automatically pulls reservations from your email, such as flights, hotels, rental cars, even attraction tickets. Create one master itinerary you can share with your grandparents, babysitters, or older kids. Because an important tip is to always share where you are, where you're going with a trusted loved one when you travel. TripIt Pro sends you real-time flight alerts. So if your gate changes while you're wrangling the kids at the airport, you'll know instantly. As a side note, if you work with us and we book your flights, we will be alerted, sometimes even while you're on the way to the airport, and either notify you or even start working on resolving the issues right away. Family tip: I recommend creating a shared TripIt calendar that syncs with everyone's phones. That way, even teens can see the schedule and parents don't have to answer that oh so often repeated question, what's next? Every 5 minutes. The next app is PackPoint, the ultimate packing helper. Instead of stressing about what to bring, you just type in your destination dates and planned activities like beach days, hiking, or city tours, and PackPoint generates a personalized packing list. Here's why this is a lifesaver for families. It considers the weather forecast. It makes sure things like diapers, chargers, or kids' favorite toys don't get left behind. You can assign packing lists to different family members so kids can be responsible for their own bags. Our now 13-year-old was excited for our cruise and was packed before the rest of us. And family tip: if you've ever had to run out and buy swimsuits or sunscreen because you forgot to pack them, this app pays for itself in saved time and money. Now, this one's not new, but it's gotten some incredible upgrades in 2025. That's Google Maps with Live View. For families exploring new destinations, especially on foot, this is a game changer. Augmented reality arrows appear right on your screen, guiding you through busy cities. You can find kid-friendly restaurants, nearby playgrounds, or the closest restroom with just a tap. Offline maps help when you don't want your kids burning through data streaming videos. And a family tip: create a custom map before your trip with all your must see attractions, food stops, and rest areas. Share it with the whole family so teens can help navigate too. It makes them feel included. Coming in at number 4, Roadtrippers, the go-to app for planning epic family road trips. Annual cost for this one for basic is $35.99, Pro is $49.99, and they have a premium plan for $59.99. That's annual. Each plan with its own special features. Instead of just driving point A to point B, Roadtrippers helps you discover fun stops along the way, like quirky roadside attractions, scenic parks for quick picnics, and kid-friendly restaurants and ice cream shops, even family-friendly hotels and campgrounds. Family tip: with premium, you can plan up to 150 stops, where basic gives you 20 stops. 150 is perfect for those long summer adventures. I also recommend letting your kids choose one stop each. It keeps them excited for the drive and gives everyone a sense of adventure. Number 5 is Hopper, which got a huge upgrade this year with a family mode. Traditionally, Hopper predicts the best time to book flights and hotels, but now it's even more family friendly. You can filter for hotels by connecting rooms, see which properties have kids clubs, pools, or free breakfast. Flexible cancellation policies show up front. Super important when traveling with kids. Family tip: turn on price alerts for multiple destinations you're considering. This way, the app notifies you when it's cheapest to book, letting you stretch your family vacation budget further. And as promised, here's the bonus app for Disney fans like myself. Nothing new now if you're an avid park goer, but worth mentioning is Disney Genie Plus. It's built right into the Disney apps and helps you skip the long lines with Lightning Lane. Manage ride times, dining reservations, and character meet and greets. Customize the day based on your kids' favorite rides. If your family is planning a Disney vacation in 25 or 26, this app is essential to making the most of your time. So there you have it, the top 5 travel apps for families in 2025, plus a bonus for Disney lovers. Which app do you think your family will use the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're planning your next family vacation and want help to make it stress-free, don't forget, we make sure details are handled so you don't have to spend hours online trying to figure out what's what. From whether a product is truly family friendly to who offers the best value for couples or solo travelers. We match you with the right cruise, resort, or Disney vacation that fits you and your lifestyle. As part of Cruise Planners, we can offer exclusive perks, VIP amenities, and as mentioned, the white glove service Cruise Planners is known for that you won't find on booking websites. If something goes wrong, you reached out to someone you're already familiar with. No waiting in a call queue to reach a random someone. We specialize in family-friendly trips. Our link tree with contact information is in the description below, or in certain platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn, it could be above. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow depending on the platform, and gently tap the bell for YouTube so you don't miss more family travel tips. Until next time, happy travels! Stick around until the end because first up, today, or check the description for our link tree, which is an easy, stress-free luxury vacations for busy professionals who value at a cafe before appeasing your wanderlust. Or heading to Disney for the week, these apps will help keep your TripIt Pro sends you real-time flight alerts. So, if your gate changes while you're